We've all encountered that familiar problem in our classrooms. We've given children a simple text to read, maybe for ILT or English. And while most children in the class can read it with relative ease, there'll be a few who simply can't. And they may have the comprehension skills if it was read to them, but they haven't got the ability to decode yet, and they would need it read to them. Here's a handy solution to help you in the form of Microsoft Lens. Here you are, you see the logo, there's a red L on a bag on a red background. So what you would need to do is go into the App Store, and once you're in the App Store, you're looking for that red tile. And you just search for OfficeLens and it should be the first option. You can click on that and download it using the normal BSB password. Of course, in reality, we'll be pushing this out to you as soon as we can. And then click on the app, open it up. It looks like a normal camera, doesn't it? Well, it isn't. Actually, this is a scanner. And built into this scanner is artificial intelligence learning tools. And you, or indeed the children, can use this to help them read a text. You can scan business cards, photos. You can see the menu on the right-hand side moving, whiteboards. And in this case, we want to scan a document, which is anything with text, either text you've typed, or a book or a magazine, etc. It doesn't work for everything, I have to say. Some fonts are just too blurry or not clear enough, but for most it does. So once you've got a text, you can zoom in, hover over the bit that you want to be read. A small section works best. And once you're happy, you'll see the red lines. Once you're happy with that, just take a snapshot. And so we've got our scan here. I need to tidy that up a little bit. Let me just show you that again. On the top left, there's a little menu with you can just crop it, and it's the normal symbol. I'm just going to tidy that up by dragging in the sides. And then I press done, and I press done again. And it's going to bring up a menu. You can export this, as you can see, in lots of formats. If you export it to, say, Word or PowerPoint, the immersive reader, these artificial intelligence tools are available there. But actually here, I'm just going to go straight into the immersive reader, which is towards the bottom of the menu. And when I press that, you should see that it starts to think. You get the kind of whirring in the middle. Then it will launch the immersive reader. It doesn't always work first time. Let's have a look. It hasn't today. Last night it did. It's worked is it going to work the second time? Let's have a look. Okay, there we are. Then I can, if I want, change some of the features. And at the bottom you'll see a large capital A and a small capital A. If you press on that, you open a little menu. And with that, you can change the size of the font. Great for visually impaired readers. You can change the spacing. You can also change the colour of the background, and this is good for many learners, particularly some children with dyslexic tendencies. I think the best thing to do is to let them select the colour that works best for them. So here we are, we've got a lovely text, it's nicely spaced, but you know, for me that's not enough. Let's see what it can do when we get it to read. So here we are.
Vertebrate is a general name to describe a huge range of animals that do not have internal...
For me, that might not be the right speed. I can change the speed.
This is how quickly Immersive Reader will read. Backbones. Some of them, like worms or jellyfish,
it's not
have
perfect,
no backbone
but you know
at
what?
all.
It's improving
Others.
all the time, and I think this is a great addition. Thank you.